Hello friends, today in Maths chapter 7, coordinate geometry we will understand. So in 9th standard you have studied that the vertical line and the horizontal line intersect each other at right angle. Then the plane is divided in four parts. That plane is called coordinate plane. And the divided four parts are known as the quadrant. So x-axis, the horizontal line is known as the x-axis, while the vertical line is known as the y-axis. Now OX is known as the positive direction, OX dash will be known as the negative direction, OY is known as the positive direction, and OY dash will be known as the negative direction. So the points on the x-axis are of the type of x0, and the point on the y-axis are of the type of 0y. If they are on the negative side, then minus x0, and here 0 negative y. Okay. Now these four parts are known as the quadrant. So in anti-clockwise direction it is first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, and fourth quadrant. So first quadrant it is x-axis also positive, y-axis also positive, so plus plus. All the coordinates are of the type of plus plus. Second quadrant, x coordinate is negative, y coordinate, and so its coordinate system has a type. So minus plus, here minus minus, and here plus minus. So this is the basic we have studied in the 9th standard. Now let's see the distance between 2 points in the coordinate plane. So let's say we are given 2 points A x1 y1 and B x2 y2. Now if these 2 points are on x-axis, suppose here one point we take x1 0 and here we take x2 0. Then in 9th standard we have studied that distance between the points on x-axis is the positive difference. Or we can see here, if we mark here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like this way. Then here the distance will be, from the distance between 5 and 1 will be 1, 2, 3, 4, like that way. And so we can say that it is 4 units. And so we subtract the x-axis x coordinate and we get the distance between 2 points. And so if the points A and B are on x-axis, then the distance between them is equals to the positive difference of x coordinate. And so we can write, if A and B are on x-axis, then distance between AB, then A equals to A is x1 0 and B is x2 0, and the distance AB will be modulus of x2 minus x1, and so here we can say that it is modulus of x2 minus x1, and so if M and N these points are there, and x2 minus x1. Same way 2 points P and K if on y-axis, if A and B are on y-axis, then A coordinates will be 0, y1 and B coordinates will be 0, y2 and the AB distance will be modulus y2 minus y1. Now if A is any point, there x1, y1, A x1, y1 is there, and B is another point is there, x2, y2. Then what is the distance between AB? That we want to find out. So from A we construct the perpendicular AC on BN. Then the coordinate of C will be x2, y1. Now AC and M is a rectangle. In rectangle opposite sides are equal. So MN length is x2 minus x1. So AC length is x2 minus x1. Same way here PQBC is also a rectangle. So PQ length will be y2 minus y1 as it is on x-axis, and so BC length also y2 minus y1. Now AC is perpendicular, so triangle ABC is right angle triangle, and so we can write by Pythagoras theorem AB square equals to AC square plus BC square. So AC square, it will be x2 minus x1 square plus bc square, y2 minus y1 square, and so ab square equals to x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square. Now square we remove, then we write the square root, and so it is x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Here we will not write plus or minus because distance will be always we will take as positive, and so the distance formula we have AB equals to under root x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square. So now we have derived the distance formula between 2 points. AB equals to under root x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square. So let's see some examples. Suppose A is given minus 3, 2 and B is given 2, 7. Then what is the distance between 2 points A and B? So AB equals to, now we have x1, y1 is the minus 3, 2 and x2, y2 we have 2, 7. And so it will be AB is equals to x1 minus x2 minus x1, so 2 minus 3 square, and here 7 minus 2 square. So 2 minus 3 is 2 plus 3 square plus 5 square, and so it is 5 square plus 5 square, that is 25 plus 25, and that is 50, so it is 5 root 2, and so we can say that distance AB equals to 5 root 2. Now suppose we are given the 2 points A equals to 7, 8 and B equals to 3, 4. And what is the distance between them? So A we have A x1 y1 we have 7, 8, B x2 y2 we have 3, 4. So again we apply the formula, then it is x2 minus x1 means 3 minus 7 square plus 4 minus 8 square. So it is 3 minus 7 square, it is minus 4 square, that is 16. 4 minus 8 square, that is also 4 square, so 16. And 16 plus 16 root 32, that 16 2s are, so 4 root 2. So let's see the examples of distance formula. So example 1 is there. If the 3 points are there, A32, B -2 -3 and C23. Are the vertices of triangle? If yes, which type of triangle is it? So here we know that the sum of two sides is greater than third side, then we can say that yes, they are the vertices of triangle. So first we will find out three distance. So let A x1 y1 we take 3 2, B x2 y2 we take 2 -2 -3 and C x3 y3 we take 2 3. So AB distance we find out with the distance formula. So now we have distance formula that we know x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square. So according this formula we write, then first for AB we write here. So x2 -2 -3 square plus -3 -2 square. So this will be -2 -3 -5 square 25, -3 -2 -5 square 25, and so 25 plus 25 root 50, that is 2 root 25 2s are, and so it is 5 root 2. Now we find out BC. Then BC distance will be here 2 minus minus 2 square plus 3 minus minus 3 square, and so it will be minus minus plus, so 2 plus 2 4 square 16, here minus minus plus 3 plus 3 6 square 36, and 36 plus 16 it will be root 52, and here AC equals to, we can see that 2 minus 3 square plus 3 minus 2 square, and so it will be 1 square plus 1 square, 1 square plus 1 square, so it is 1 plus 1 root 2. So we can see that here 5 root 2 plus root 2 6 root 2, which is greater than root 5 2, and so ABC are vertices of triangle. Now they are vertices of triangle, so we want to find out which type of triangle it is. So here we take AB square. Then you can see that AB square means root 50 square, it will be 50. BC square, it will be root 52 square, so 52, and AC square root 2 square, that will be 2, and so AB square plus AC square is equals to BC square. So we can see that 50 plus 2 equals to 52, it happens, and so they are the vertices of right angle triangle. The short trick of the finding out the vertices of the triangle are right angle triangle or not. So if any 2 points are given in that 2 coordinates are equal, then we can say that they are the vertices of right angle triangle. Here we are given the example 2 whether A17, B42, C -1 -1, D -4 are the vertices of square or not. So we know that in square all the 4 sides are equal as well as diagonals are equal. So we will find out the 4 sides and 2 diagonals. If the lengths are equal, then we are able to say that they are the vertices of square or not. So first we find out AB. Now we know the distance formula, so we apply directly. So it is 4 minus 1 square plus 2 minus 7 square. And so 4 minus 1 square, 3 square, it is 9 plus 2 minus 7 square, that is 5 square, 25. So it is root 34. So BC we find out. Then it is again minus 1 minus 4 square plus minus 1 minus 2 square. So minus 5 square, that is 25, and minus 3 square plus 9 root 34. Now we find out CD. Then it is minus 4 minus minus 1 square, and here 4 minus minus 1 square. So minus minus plus, so minus plus minus, so minus 4 plus 1, that is minus 3 square 9, minus minus plus, so 4 plus 1, that is 5 square 25. So root 34. And AD we find out. Then minus 4 minus 1 square plus 4 minus 7 square. So it is minus 5 square 25 plus 3 square 9, so root 34. So here 4 sides are equal, so there is a chances to be a square. But we know that in the square diagonals are equal, otherwise it can be a rhombus. So to check that they are equal, we will check the diagonal. So we will find out diagonal AC length. Then here 1 minus 1 minus 1 square plus minus 1 minus 7 square. So it is minus 2 square 4 and minus 8 square 64. So it is root 68. And BD we find out. Then minus 4 minus 4 square plus 4 minus 2 square. So it is minus 8 square 64 and 2 square 4. So again root 68. So both the diagonals are also equal, and so we can say that as 4 sides are equal to diagonals are equal, ABCD are the vertices of square. We are given the example 3 that A31, B64 and C86 are the collinear or not. So we will find out AB, BC and AC, and if the two distance addition equals to third distance, the smaller distance addition is equals to the larger distance, then we can say that it is collinear, otherwise they are non-collinear. So 3 distance we find out. First we find out AB, then AB distance will be 6 minus 3 square plus 4 minus 1 square. So it is 3 square 9 plus 9. It is 9 into 2, and so it is 3 root 2. Now BC we can find out. It is 8 minus 6 square plus 6 minus 4 square. So 8 minus 6 square 4 plus 4. It is 4 into 2, and so it is 2 root 2, and AC equals to 8 minus 3 square plus 6 minus 1 square, that is 5 square 25 plus 25, so it is 25 2 times, and so 5 root 2. So we can see here AB plus BC, 3 root 2 plus 5 root 2 root 2, it becomes 5 root 2 equals to AC, means AB plus BC equals to AC. So B lies between A and C, and they are collinear points. Now example 4 we have, if XY is equidistant from A71 and B35, then find the relation between X and Y. So suppose PXY is equidistant, so we can write that AP equals to PB. Now two distances are equal, so their squares are also equal. So AP square equals to PB square. So AP square by distance formula it will be x minus 7 square plus y minus 1 square. Same PB will be x minus 3 square plus y minus 5 square. So x minus 7 square we expand, x square 7 to the 14x plus 49 plus y square minus 2y plus 1 equals to x square minus 6x plus 9 plus y square minus 10y plus 25. So both the sides x square and y square will be cancelled. Now minus 14x will go that side, so 14x minus 6x minus 10y and minus 2y will go that side, so plus 2y, and here 25 and 9 34, and this 49 plus 150 will go that side, that is minus equals to 0. So 14 minus 6 8x minus 10 plus 2 minus 8y and 34 minus 50 it is a 16 equals to 0. So here all three are divisible by 8, and so x minus y minus 2 is equals to 0. Now we have the example 5 that find a point on y-axis which is equidistant from a65 and b minus 4, 3. So we have the point is on y-axis, so let require point is P 0y because it is on y-axis. Now P is equidistant from A and B, that is means AP equals to PB, and so AP square equals to PB square. So by distance formula we write AP square, then 6 minus 0 square plus 5 minus y square is equals to minus 4 minus 0 square plus 3 minus y square. So here we solve, then 6 square 36. Here expansion will be 25 minus 10y plus y square is equals to minus 4 square 16 plus expansion will be 9 minus 6y plus y square. So y square cancel, 36 and 25, so its addition will be 6 5 11, carry 1, 4 to 61 minus 10y is equals to 16 and 9 25 minus 6y. So 25 transfer this side and 10y take that side, and 61 minus 25 equals to 10y minus 6y. So 61 minus 25 is 11 minus 5 6, 5 minus 2 3, 36 equals to 4y. So y equals to 36 divided 4, that is 9. And so the required point is 0, 9.